Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany if you guys are new. So if you guys want to see how I create this very simple orange ombre set, then go ahead and keep watching this video. So the first step that I'm doing is I am applying the OPI by X nail primer to each of her nails. So this nail primer is from Amazon and I definitely recommend it if you're looking for a new primer. I'm using the color Orange by Mia Secret acrylic powder. I'm also using the Mia Secret monomer as well. And then I'm using a size 14 acrylic brush. So to do the ombre, I'm using the Mia Secret Cover Beige. I'm still using the same monomer, Mia Secret monomer. And you want to make sure that you place that nude or beige bead right on top of the colored bead. And then just blend it in. For the acrylic top coat, I'm using Young Nails and a Cover Pink. And I'm still using the Secret monomer. So the nail files that I'm using is a 100 grit nail file from Young Nails. And these are my go-to nail files. So I'm also like shaping the nails and blending them at the same time. I prefer to hand file versus doing a drill, but it looks a lot better to me, and it's a lot easier for me to use a nail file to file the nails down. And then especially the way how I apply my acrylic, it already comes on smooth, so I really don't have to use the drill too much. So as you can see, I'm I'm like smoothing out her nail with the hand file, going in circular motions. And then you want to make sure you pull the skin back to file away any acrylic that got on the skin. Make sure that you guys like this video, subscribe to the channel if you are new, and check out the details below on how to enter for the giveaway. We are almost at 200 subscribers. I do want to thank everybody once again to subscribing and watching this video. It definitely means a lot to me. Also, please leave some video suggestions down below in the comments because I want to be more consistent as far as uploading videos. So I'm using these butterfly water tattoos that I got from Amazon, and they're really easy to use. I really like them. You get a lot in a pack for maybe about $8 or $9 off of Amazon. So these are what I used for the butterflies, and all you need is just like some little tweezers and some water and some scissors to cut out the butterfly. And then to seal them in, you have to put your top coat on and cure it, which you guys will see me doing now. So I'm using the Young Nails UV top coat, and they came in the Young Nails Ultimate box, or the one of the Ultimate boxes, one of the acrylic packages that I bought from Young Nails. So these top coats came from there, and I like them too. They are really good. They don't peel, unlike my Beatles top coat. It be peeling for some reason. I'm not really sure why, but I normally don't have any problems with the Young Nails one. If you guys know of some good UV top coats, let me know because I'm looking for a new one. And that's it for this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.